Hey guys, welcome to Lenphor Cosmetics. This is Srishti Rao, the regional makeup trainer. So today I'm here to show you my favorite products from Lenphor. So let's dive right in. Very first product that I'm going to talk about is the brow pen, the Lenphor's Get Set Brow Pen. It is an amazing product. I love this product. I have spoken about this product in my previous videos as well. You might have seen. This particular product, it comes in this form. It comes with a felt tip like this. So if you can see, so it has like this comb kind of a bristle, tiny bristle, which makes it very easy for application. So let's try it out and let's see the effect. So what I am doing is I'm just going to start from the center of my brow, but from the bottom center of my brow, and all I'm doing is just gliding the pen in an upward direction like this, and I'm just filling in the gaps that I have in my brows. So I'm just doing this and I'm gradually moving forward. And then I'm just kind of framing my brows. Can you see? I'm just sort of framing my brows like this. And I'm just wiping off any excess product that I've got over my skin. And can you see the stark line that has formed here? I am just going to hold my pen this way. And I'm just sort of combing this through my brows, just like this, to give it a natural finish. I don't want the line to look very stark and make it look done up, so I'm just doing that to give it, combing through that line just so that it smudges all over my brow and gives it that kind of very natural kind of a finish and not a stark look. It's like entirely blended out. And if I see any other gap in my brows, like you can see, I can see a little gap here. So I am just sort of filling it in just like this. And yeah, my brows are ready in no time. Can you see how it looks? Super flawless, isn't it? So can you see the difference? Amazing, isn't it? So the next product that we're going to talk about is the Sketch It eyeliner. This is the Sketch It eyeliner. It is in the shade black, so we just have one shade in that is black, and this is how it. So let's try on this pen. So I'm just starting from the center of my lash line, and I'm just dragging it outward and forming a wing like this. And I'm just drawing a line from the bottom of my lash line to the wing that we created, and I am just filling the gap side. And I'll show you another trick. The way you can use this product is you can just draw a line on the edge of your eye, moving upward towards the edge of your brow line, and close your eyes and pull this line onto the lash line. Just like this, and then you can just kind of fill it in. Just fill it in, and I'm just taking out the excess product from the eyes. I'm just doing this. So can you see how easy was this? I just did this in like 2 minutes. I think not even 2 minutes. Since I was explaining it to you guys, it took me 2 minutes. Otherwise, I think 1 minute should be enough. So I really love this product. Again, after my Get Set brow pen, I love the Sketch It eyeliner. So this is a must try product, a must have product, I would rather say. Yeah, must have product. Next, I'm going to be talking about Smudge Me Eye Pencil. So this is the Smudge Me Eye Pencil in the shade Black Dust. I specifically love this shade because again, this is a 3-in-1 pencil. You can use this as an eyeliner, as an eyeshadow, as well as a kajal. And this glides on super smooth. Again, it's very easy to use. You can use this as an eyeliner. As I said, if I did not have the eyeliner, Sketch It eyeliner on, I would have definitely shown it to you over my eyes. But now I'm just going to swatch it and show it to you guys. So here is a swatch of the eyeliner. It is buttery soft in texture. It glides on really smoothly, and also it is like black. It is like the deepest black that you can have. And yeah, it also comes with a smudger on the back side, as you guys can see. This is the smudger. So, which makes it really convenient to, kind of smoke the kajal out, because it really just enhances my eyes like anything, just lifts up my face and makes me look really bright and, nice. So, let me show it to you on my waterline. I'll just apply this on my waterline. I'm just lightly getting it onto my lash line as well. I'm taking this smudger on the back and I'm just kind of blending it downward for that smoky look. So I have used this in my previous video also. If you have watched it, I have created this kind of smoky eyeliner look with this particular pencil. It is very nice. I love this pencil. It is very good. It is also long stay. It lasts for about 12 hours. Trust me when I say 12 hours. And it's also waterproof. So I would say it will last for more than 12 hours. Next, I'm going to be talking about the Timeless Eye Pencil in the shade Gold by Nature. This pencil, again, you must have seen in a lot of videos. I have used this. I use this as a highlighter. I use this as an eyeshadow. I use this as a kajal. I use this as an eyeliner. So I feel this one is like a 4-in-1 pencil. I initially used to think it's just a 3-in-1 pencil, but dude, this is a 4-in-1 pencil because of the color, of course. So this particular shade, Gold by Nature, I also use it as a highlighter. I use it as an inner corner highlighter most of the times, but in my recent videos, I have also tried to use it as a highlighter for the face, and it works really well, especially for dusky skin tones. I feel this particular shade will go really well. So I'll just show it to you on the inner corners as of now, on the inner corners of my eyes as of now. So This is literally how I use it. Can you see the highlighted effect that it is giving? Next, I'm going to go, so this was all about the eyes. I'm going to move on to the lip category. So as for lips, I would recommend is the Velvestick lipstick. Then this lipstick is buttery soft. It gives a velvety finish and it also kind of adds volume to your lips, which I really love about this product. I really like nourishing lipsticks because I feel like nourishing lipsticks adds volume to your lips, makes your lips look plumper and also youthful. So I'll just apply it for you right now and show it to you. I just have on a little gloss on my lip. Just gonna apply it over it. I think I'll show it to you without the gloss so that you can see how glossy this is and how it nourishes the skin without using any kind of a lip balm or any kind of gloss. The product that I have, and I am just applying this. How awesome is this shade? I love this shade. I'll also swatch it on my hand and show it to you. This is the swatch. Can you see how nourished my lips look and how much of a volume it is giving to my lips? And also it's made my lip look very plump as well at the same time. So I'm loving this lipstick. I love this lipstick for, it's like I just applied this shade and this texture and I'm good to go. Like I don't even need anything else apart from this, like literally. So yes, this is a must-have product for your lips. Next, I'm going to talk about the lip liner. So this is the Rebel lip liner from Lenphor. It's in the shade Nude Mood. This is one of my favorite shade, and also the texture of this particular lip pencil is amazing, guys. So it is super creamy. As you can see, it glides on very smooth. You can use this as a creamy matte kind of a lipstick also. Can you see how the swatch is? Like it is matte, but it gives a creamy texture as well. It is not like drying or anything. It has like that kind of a cream kind of a texture to it, and so it glides on really well. It applies really well all over the lip, and it's also smudge free and transfer proof. It'll last you for about 12 hours again. And yeah, you can use this as a lip pencil. You can use it as a lipstick as well. So this is like this one product, and this shade especially is amazing. So I highly recommend Nude Mood in the Rebel lip liner. This is one of my favorite, and this is a makeup must have that all of you have to have in your makeup kit. This is one product that I would recommend. So yeah, that's that. Next, let's talk about the Treasure Matte lipstick. Treasure Matte lipstick in the shade Crimson Red is one of my favorite, guys. So basically, this does not dry out the skin even though it is matte finish. So this is why I really like this texture. So here is a little swatch for you. And also the shade, guys, this shade is so good. The red is superb. It's perfect for the festive season, and it is amazing. I love the shade. If I don't have anything in my makeup kit but this one shade, and I think I am good to go. I can just apply this shade and it'll just brighten up my face, and that's it. I don't need anything else. And I can, what I do is, my trick is I apply the lipstick on my lips and then I also dab some on my cheeks. So red, it just, brightens up your face and makes you look gorgeous. And This color is one color that anybody, any skin toned person can wear it. Like if you're dusky, if you are fair, it does not matter. You can still use this shade. Next, I'm going to be talking about the Matte Show Off Lip Crayon Pencil. This is again one of my favorites, and this is in a matte texture again. And this has a creamy texture to it, but it dries to a powder matte finish without drying out your lips. I am someone with really dry lips, so I don't prefer those the kiss proof lipsticks that people call it. Yeah, I don't prefer those because those really peel out my skin. Those are powder matte lipsticks, but this is in a creamy matte texture which dries out to a powder matte later once applied without drying out your lips or peeling your skin. So this is again a 2-in-1 product. You can use this as a lip liner as well as a lipstick. And this shade, guys, this is Coral Memories. This is one of my favorite shades. This shade just goes with all my outfits for any time of the day. So here is a little swatch for you guys. So this is how the color looks, and I love this shade. It is too good, and the texture, did you see how it glided? It just glided onto my hand so easily. Even though it is matte, it did not give me trouble to kind of glide it on. It's super creamy in texture, and the color is amazing. So I highly recommend this shade. This particular range has amazing shades, so do check it out. Last, I'm going to be moving on to the Lenphor nail tints. It is one of my favorite nail tints. This really saves me a lot of bucks, and it saves me a lot of time, a lot of money, and it is really awesome. Especially the shade Nude Seduction. I'm in love with this shade. So this is a gel finish nail polish. So it actually gives the salon-like gel finish kind of a look. And this literally stays for 2 weeks. I'm not even kidding. It just lasted me for 2 weeks. No matter how much you wash your hand, no matter what work you do at home, it lasts for 2 weeks without chipping off. So this is one of my favorite product, guys. Do try this. Hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.